Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenz on the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Orlando Pirates 3, Limpopo 0. Orlando Pirates loses via penalties. I'm joined by Usocha.
Yeah. Sithubo Fere.
I'm Nani.
Nandi njayami esapha. Ngiphukile ne. Ngizamiseri mari ngijabulile ngaphakathi because I knew iPirates izoyiwina le game le.
Yeah.
But iscore bengazi ukuthi sizothini. But bona I knew ukuthi iPirates izoyiwina. Eyama penalty uyayazi into enjalo ama penalties but mina yabona uOtto ngiyamblame as a senior player bengamelanga yabona ngiyabona noma eshaya lapha la akekho konqala confidence and the Pirates le game le last 10 minutes Pirates sharp. Mamela ke team. Mina iPirates yabona last 10 minutes. Bemele la iyenza finish up. iPirates iyahlisa nayo ispirit ama player wonke last 10 minutes we drop even noma sebekore yabona le goal lele lokugcina asilibonanga nawe walibonanga nama ngilibonanga besisi 2 you understand bese ngitshela iPirates lapha ni win le game idone understand but for me iPirates bethu badlale they kept the
Relax, timer.
They gave it all to me. They gave it all. But last 10 minutes, I play mada. Bahlisa yabona if bebanikeza ileta play because mabe relax. Nale parza relax. And le parma kale relax. Zenza in zala le ground ure free understand njengale. Nathi thina ama team asemzansi. Mela ifunde lento enziwa ile party lezo understand. The way yabona isikhathi ziswaste kamnandi kanjani uyangithola ureferee zamtshela lezi you understand thina siyasaba ukumtshela ureferee you understand thina manje yabona kusasa kuyodlala lezabo you understand asowisho ezami nazo indaba sisoft timash mamela ibhakani yedlala le